So I just wanted to make a super quick video on a really easy truck build. I have a 2012 Nissan Frontier, happy on the top. Yeah. So just super simple design. It's all 3/4-inch plywood, and just have a couple of small compartments and things. So really small drawer on this left side, a 4-foot drawer on 90-pound drawer slides, locking drawer slides, and then this little cabinet that goes all the way to the back of the truck, and that's compartmentalized into 3 spaces. And so this little drawer goes out, and that comes all the way out. Just make some space in front of the wheel well. And then this guy is on the lock slides. That comes all the way out. And the top can be used for barbecue, camping supplies, dinner prep, whatever really. And it's just a little cover on top held with a couple of spacers at the back there. It's nice and simple, super easy setup. And then you just click the buttons, shove her back in. This space goes all the way to the back, and I can't really show you right now, but underneath the mattress this compartment comes out, and if you flip it over, I've got a Rocky Mounts fork mount for my bike, so I can flip this whole piece over, slide it in, and then I can actually have my bike on this side of the camper, and I can sleep on this side for when I'm out biking. And this little drawer here just opens up, some space there. When the bike is in the back, there's openings 1, 2, 3, and you can access all 3 cabinet spaces that way. It's not the best design when the full bed is in the back, but the full bed is way more comfortable, and it's hard to leave it behind. Inside is super spacious. I'm about 5'11". I can lay in here fairly comfortably, straight on. I do go diagonal if I want a full stretch, but if the window is open, that side, there's no problem with that at all. So regular camper, windows slide open. I installed mesh on both of these. The camper didn't come with them. Super easy to do. And then I put in a fan here. It's just attached with a little Velcro, so I can actually pull those right off, just to get some airflow. And then there's actually another one here I can put on super easily. The fan. And just like so. Turn it on. That battery's dead. So you can't really see, but there's compartment space there. Again, when the mattress isn't in. And same within here. It goes all the way across this piece above the wheel well. And then this here is my little screen. It's a total piece of crap. But I just got like some like door mesh screen, like so, and then you can have whatever view you've got out front here without bugs. And of course, you can't forget twinkle lights in any setup. You probably can't see it at all. Oh, you can see a little bit, but you've got lights all the way around. This is kind of a nice little comfy, cozy space. And I guess I should mention it's all like very easily removable, nothing screwed down at all. So like this is one piece here The drawer itself is one piece. There's this little drawer obviously comes out, and then there's the two plywood pieces there, so they're separate. This was the smaller of the two, and this is a 4x8. And I'll include, hopefully I already have included the video of how it all goes with the truck. It's super easy. It takes like 10-15 minutes just to put it all in. Yeah, I didn't want anything permanent when I built it. I want to be able to pull it out and still, load the truck with the bikes or with other gear if I need to here and there. So, yeah, nice and easy. Remembering post filming, I have loaded it up with my bottle of iced tea in my bag. There's also underneath this side, there's another drawer further back. So when the bed isn't in, it's actually a pretty nice like storage area as well. So this whole section is open. There's a big like 2 by 3 foot drawer underneath the bed, cupboard I should say, and then the drawer itself down here. The whole thing weighs, I guess, probably around 200 pounds. This piece is probably like 50 or 60 pounds. The whole drawer, which goes all the way to the back, that whole unit is probably like 70-ish pounds. And then the rest of the plywood, another, I don't know, 40, 50 pounds. So what is that? 50, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, like 200-ish pounds. Yeah, that's actually all I can think of right now. So I'm actually going to end the video now. Thanks for watching.